health IT used to be just a cost center, okay? It is now part of the strategic plan to improve healthcare overall for our country. They are looking at all the ways that they can optimize what they have, okay? The margins, because of the changes in the reimbursement model, have gone down to razor thin. So they're always looking to really, if I could use the term triple aim, that is what CMS has come to. The triple aim is to enhance the patient experience, to improve patient care, and reduce the cost of care. So when you look at that triple aim, you know, where does health IT fit in there? And then where do we fit in, SMS, as an IT infrastructure service provider? It's making sure that the infrastructure is A, cost effective, so your total cost of ownership is as low as possible, that it's optimized, that it's working the best you can, and that you're utilizing your IT resources the best. So those three areas, when you look at it, we help reduce some of the operating expense by providing some of the services that we do. We help optimize it by using our expertise to come in and use discovery tools on that. And then we help with their IT resources by having skilled technicians available when needed.